Bonjour Katu. We are on your Siuk Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to learn about the vocabulary of the directions in French. We have already done the vocabulary of the days of the week, the months of the year, and the seasons of the year in French. This is pronounced as direction. Les directions en français. Direction means direction. It is a feminine singular noun, so it will take the definite article la. Now the first direction is knock. That means north. Second one is est. That means east. The third one is sud or sud. That means south. And the fourth one is ouest. O est. Knock, est, sud, ouest. Northeast is nord-est. Southeast is sud-est. Northwest is nord-ouest. And southwest is sud-ouest. So these are the 8 major directions that we need to know in French. The first one is knock, nord-est, est, sud-est, sud, sud-ouest, ouest, and nord-ouest. These are the 8 directions in French. Kindly take a note that all the directions are masculine singular noun. So they all will take the definite article le. That means the directions are to be written in this form: le knock, le sud, l'ouest, l'est, ne, nord-est, le, nord-ouest, le, sud-est, and le, sud-ouest. The term direction, which is a feminine singular noun, will take the definite article le. That is la. We have done it here. La direction. I'll take up some sentences. So the first sentence is le knock de froid et le sud de chaud. The north is cold. Froid means cold. A means hand. The north is cold and the south is chaud. That means warm or hot. The next sentence is elle habite au sud-ouest. The verb over here is habite. It is an er ending verb. We have already done the conjugation of the er ending verbs using 5 steps. in a previous video. Kindly go and watch that video. El Abid o sud-ouest. This means he lives in southwest. Third one is nous allons. Here the liaison rule will be applied. Nous allons. Zo again. Liaison rule. Nord-est. We. The verb over here is aller, which means to go. We are going to northeast, northeast. We have already done the contracted articles. That is when the preposition a combines with the definite article le. The contracted article for the masculine singular noun is o. Here the masculine singular noun is nord-est, so we have used o. This means to. We are going to northeast. Vous restez à l'ouest. The verb over here is rester, which means to stay, not to rest. This is a common mistake which most of the students make, that they take the meaning of rester as to rest, but the meaning is to stay. You are staying in the west. Fifth is il ne travaille pas zo, liaison rule, sud-est. The verb over here is travailler, which means to work. They are not working in southeast. Sixth one, tu regardes vers l'est. The verb over here is regarder, which means to look at. This particular word is towards, pronounced as vers. Tu regardes vers l'est. You are looking towards the east. So these are the 6 sentences in which I've used the vocabulary of the directions. I have given you certain new verbs over here. This is pronounced as habiter, aller, rester, travailler. The last one is regarder. So the pronunciation of all these directions are le nord, le sud, l'ouest, l'est, le nord-est, le nord-ouest, le sud-est, le sud-ouest. So this is all for today. Kindly keep on practicing all these vocabularies that I have already shared. Keep in mind the articles, the definite articles which have been used before these nouns. And if you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. A très bientôt.